So this is what's wrong with this. This hood will not stay, and the reason being the struts are gone. Those two struts. Always replace these struts at together. I mean, not one, even though only one is broken, you still have to replace both. I need this so I can temporarily hold it for a bit, then we'll have to remove that. It has a clip, so we have to remove this clip. I need something like this one here. It's gone. Okay. Clean it a bit and then remove the other one. And the one also is down here below. Right there. Oops. Careful not to. This one does not have a clip, so it's a little bit difficult to remove. However, all you need to do is pry it. Yeah, it's there, right there. Almost gone. Just pry it. Let's see. I need a screwdriver, which I don't have one right now. Okay, removed. Okay, now, as I said, clean it a bit. So let's clean it. This one here too. And this is the replacement. Right there is our replacement. All we have to do, it has a clip too. Insert it like that. See? You didn't need to do instrumentation for that. And you have this one here, and okay. Okay. Right, I have to put this one first, right there, And then this one here. Okay, done. Simple. Nothing to it. Now go to the other side and remove it. And all you need to do is remove the clip. It's like what we did on the other one. Remove the clip. Okay, it's removed, and all we need to do is take it out. Take it out. Put this thing here just to hold it a bit. Okay, and then this side here. Right. Okay, this side. Okay, out. Clean it up just like the other one. Clean it up. Okay, and then take the other one. Insert the other one in here. Very easy. Okay, see how easy it was. Then this one here. This one here goes to this part here, and then we're all done. See how easy it was? Now it's done. Was an easy fix. Not even 3 minutes, or not even 5 minutes. Okay, see how it works. Okay, open. Okay, there you go. Done. One more time.